All right, back here with the master mechanic, Stephanie.
Character resurface.
All right, we're gonna do an exhaust manifold gasket. We got a 2010.
2011.
Okay, 2011, 4.8 liter Silverado.
LS. 186,000 miles. And
Nice.
a lead foot.
Yeah. So these are known for breaking exhaust manifold bolts. So we're gonna start by dropping this manifold here, and we're going to try and extract those puppies. So you can see there's a broken one up front, and I do believe, if I remember correctly, there's a broken one in the back too. So what you want to do, 13 millimeter, and you want to break these bolts loose while it's still hot. That's very important. So we're gonna go ahead and get to doing that, and then afterwards we'll get underneath and we'll drop the exhaust, show you how to weasel this puppy out of there. All right, another thing to note, whenever you break these bolts loose, it's good practice if you start middle out. So just think like Silicon Valley, middle out. So Stephanie is gonna get on that little step stool there. She's gonna dive in.
5'10", that's going to steps. 5'9"3/4.
Well, there you go.
Middle out.
Yeah. So basically what you're trying to do is relax it so that way you don't put a bunch of extra stress on some part and crack it. It's not super important, but it's good practice.
Just don't burn your hands.
And it's hot, and that's gonna happen.
That's the wrong direction.
Yeah, don't tighten it and snap another one.
Makes me happy. All right, it's loose.
Loosey goosey.
It's a loosey goosey. I was gonna say that.
Heck yeah, that's how you do it, boys. All right, she's gonna slowly get them all out of there. All right, dadgummit, she did it. So all the bolts are out of the exhaust manifold except for one. So what we're gonna look at here, oh, I'm gonna throw tools on the ground. Hi, Gramps. All right, so the oil dipstick is in the way of this bolt down yonder. I don't know how well you can see it.
Hey, stranger danger.
So yeah, I'll circle it on the screen here. So what I'm doing is we're gonna take this, wow, this is tough. So they're gonna take this 15 mil out down here, and then we're gonna pop this dipstick tube out so it's out of the way, and then we'll put it back when we're done. Hopefully we remember. All right. Well, she's getting all wild over here, but
I'm a little too extended.
story of my life. So we got, once you get this bolt out here, this buddy's got enough play. We don't even have to pop the O-rings out of the pin. It'll just get out of the way to take that last manifold bolt out. Now, I think we're still gonna have to remove it entirely though to get the manifold out of the engine bay. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna crawl back underneath there. We're gonna pop her free.
You moved my steps, dude. I feel like I'm like, not long enough.
Also story of my life.
Use that retard string.
It's not politically correct.
Quick update. Hi. He's not gonna like that shot. Right now he's pulling the O2 sensor way down yonder. That's just him crawling under the vehicle. I'm gonna disconnect the battery. You okay?
Yeah, I got roadies on me.
First time?
First time. Quick little recap. Just wanted to say that we took the bolts out while the exhaust manifold was hot. There's three 15 millimeters that hold it on down on the exhaust flange. I had to use a wrench on one of them because we couldn't get the O2 sensor out. Sorry, I got the hiccups. But if you can get your O2 sensor out, you can hit them all with the impact. And we had to pull the oil dipstick. And then I routed the coolant hoses up over the filler neck of the oil. We pulled the ground wire to the front of the motor and the primary wire to the alternator and set them over here to the side. And we pulled the breather here, all to make room for the exhaust manifold to come out nice and easy. And she did just that. So here we are getting ready to drop the stud using easy out. I don't really know the plan on this yet, but I'll come up with one shortly and let you know. Then it's all about putting it back in with the new gasket.
Man of the hour has arrived.
Sleeping Beauty woke up.
I feel called out. I feel exposed. More so now than on the pole.
Yeah.
Can you imagine what we're looking for right now? Specific tool.
There we go.
Oh, he had some luck. Come on.
There we go.
Oh,
right there.
nope, safety glasses. Surprise, surprise.
No. Safety glasses with eyeballs in them. I can't make it without my readers. Oh yeah, there it is. That's not good.
Just look at, not good, not
That's
bad.
not supposed to be that way. So the key is to not drill it crooked.
Do you want to get one of the little like
Not
things you can
drill.
smack it with and get a circle?
That would be great, except
Punch.
pretty sure I had an automatic center punch back before I had children. Make sure I'm drilling in the right spot.
Oh, brother.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, that sucks.
Because if this breaks off. Okay, gentlemen.
What?
Wish me luck.
Get out the way, boys.
You gotta move.
Over here, over
This
here,
could
over
get
here.
kind of
over here.
scurry. I hope it works.
No, it's not.
Shut the light down. Oh. Touche. You want to get on the ladder? And I can do the light bit? Is it working? Yeah, I had it on low.
Oh.
I'm used to, you know, the power settings. Yeah, what? I'm gonna stop talking now. It's working.
Is it?
It's vibrating. Look in there.
Wait, don't mess with the camera. What are you doing?
That's well. Baba up there.
One thing about that last video you did, there was plenty of butt crack. There was a lot of butt crack.
It's the new style, Bill. When I'm done, everyone's gonna be showing butt crack. Hey, we're at 12%. But dag nabbit, they did it. And we're supposed to be showing people how to do it and like, don't do this. Yeah.
So, This is our new bolt. And I measured it with my pinky from the other, threaded it to the other bolt.
Science.
Yeah. Very precise.
So the summary for everything was, and you probably can't even see me because it's so dark here. I'll
can't.
sit back here.
I got
Well,
moonlighting.
there you go. Oh, right in his face.
So we drilled it small, broke it off. Tried to carbide it, broke it off. Then we drilled on it for hours, got nowhere. Then she got the Harbor Freight diamond bits, and we all laughed at
On a Dremel.
and absolutely kicked ass and drilled through the carbide. To which point we drilled it. We ended up
Harbor Freight for the win.
for the win. So then we ended up having to drill it out the tap size and then retap the hole, and now we got it.
Heck yeah.
So the lucky part was we managed to stay on center and save the hole.
I don't, yeah, I'm
And I don't know how.
blown away by
I don't
that.
know how. After all the broken bits and dremeling and all the stuff, we managed to stay on center. So
Heck yeah.
a little luck.
How do you
never
feel?
hurts nobody.
On top of the world.
Now we gotta
The
put.
job's not over
Yeah,
yet.
now we gotta put it all back
Yeah,
together.
the job's
Yeah,
not
yeah.
over,
Well, the hardest part is
It
done.
is for this guy.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Yep. So all that's going to be important on your end is I'm going to lower this exhaust manifold in, and if the O2 sensor we couldn't get out, you're going to want to keep one of those nuts right up there and just get it started as we, come together. And then from that point, once you get it started and it's above that O2, then you can bail out from there. I'll get these all started. And we'll be good to go.
Did you find the third one? Over in Texas.
Man, let me tell you what, it was coming down out there at the camp.
Was it?
Good Lord, thunder, lightning, wind. Tell you what, Lord was trying to wash somebody's sins away. Yeah, he was.
What do you think, Mr. Bill?
Let me get a cheater bar on top now.
No, please don't. No, that's the worst idea. What
I already have it set.
You got
So
this
it's
set right?
15 Newton meters to start, and then we're gonna bump up to 20. I mean, you might
I
start
thought it was 11.
11 foot-pounds, 15 Newton meters.
Okay.
Start in the
thing.
middle.
Yep.
Okay.
Start in the middle, work your way out.
What'd you do? Clean
No.
it or just get another one?
No, I just did
Used
it on
it?
some other things and knocked that oil off.
Oh, okay.
Put it on her exhaust instead.
Oh, okay.
No, I'm just kidding.
You put it on my transmission, you'll see some more.
See what happened to me?
Yeah.
I need first aid.
Oh, let me call the ambulance, because
Yeah, the ambulance. The ambulance. I'm gonna remember that.
So the spec is 15 Newton meters through the first cycle, followed by 20 Newton meters. You want to do it middle out like a head. These two over here knocking it out because I can just get a supervised now.
Yeah.
There you go. You got supervised, right?
I love it.
You can just put them on the mud truck when they finish this one.
All right, here it is, follow up. Miss Stephanie had to rush out yesterday, but it was pretty cool. We got her and her dad and me and the old guy all working on this puppy, but it is back together and it is running.
I think there were only like 2 people, maybe like a quarter of my dad. He held the flashlight really well.
Yeah, right, dude. He came all the way from South Carolina and knocked it out of the park. He told us what to do. Got her did.
I'm really happy. First of all, the first day, drilling the bolt out of the, that was a daunting task. Most mechanics won't even tackle that themselves because it's one of those moments. And
Yeah,
us
okay,
doing it, first of all, it's like a confidence boost for me, and I just putting in the work, and then we got it done. Thank God.
Master mechanic right
Thank
here.
God for Greencastle.
The
Oh my
master
gosh.
mechanic right here. Hey, that was those two, man. They wouldn't give it up. I was ready to pull the head.
Yeah. 1, 2,
But
3.
yeah, she's in. She's torqued
You
to
me crank
spec. There is no exhaust leaks.
No codes.
And this side has already been done, as you see. There we go. It is not the easiest task. Not the easiest task, but it's also very doable. So we'll have links to parts and tools in the description if you need them from Amazon. And yeah, just
Thank you.
takes some gumption, man. You got to get in there and get it done. It helps if you have one of these jumping around. You know, calling in the heavies from South Carolina.
Thank you.
Well, good to go.